If you've ever said an affirmation like, I'm a money magnet, or I attract £10,000 plus a month with ease, and then instantly after it, you thought, yeah, right, then this video is for you. Now, I'm here to tell you affirmations do work. Like, you're not even doing affirmations wrong, but the way you understand it might be wrong. I'm Joanne McLeod, top 1% of Bob Proctor's consultants worldwide, and I specialize in helping entrepreneurs reprogram their subconscious mind so they can earn over £10,000 plus months without burning out and with time freedom. So if you actually want to make your affirmations work, then stay with me because this video is going to change everything for you. So let's start with the obvious. Affirmations are supposed to feel fake at first, because if you already believed it, then you wouldn't need an affirmation, would you? Because you'd already be living it. That's like turning around and saying, oh, the gym didn't work out for me on day one, so I'm quitting. And what that's really doing is just missing the point entirely. The discomfort that you feel when you affirm, I make £10,000 a month and it's so easy to do, is your old programming fighting for survival. So in other words, your subconscious mind is turning around and going, hey, this is not what I believe. And that's a good thing, because that means that you've touched your paradigm. So many people quit doing affirmations because they don't feel like they're true. But that's like driving to somewhere and throwing the map out the window because you've not arrived yet. Imagine turning around and saying, I'm rich, and then boom, instantly becoming rich. That would make affirmations more powerful than a flipping genie. So let's keep it real. Affirmations aren't spells, they're mental reps. And here's where most people go wrong. They say the words, they say the affirmations, but they don't understand the mechanism behind it. Your subconscious mind does not respond to logic. It responds to these three things. It responds to emotion, it responds to repetition, and it responds to expectation. So when you first start saying an affirmation, your old programming is guaranteed to resist it. It's just like when you start the gym and you start lifting weights. If you've ever been to the gym, you know when you lift weights, your muscle resists it. But when you stay persistent and when you keep doing it with emotion and consistency, that's when your affirmations will start to work for you. Put it this way, it's like pouring water on dry soil. It takes a little bit of time to sink in. Your job isn't to worry or doubt if it's working. Your job is to keep pouring onto that soil. You know, when I first got into this material and I started affirming, money flows to me with ease, my mind, my inner voice would literally laugh at me. But the difference between me and most people is I kept going. I kept saying that affirmation every single day. I got emotionally involved with this new truth that I was choosing. And eventually, my subconscious mind accepted it. You know, I'm traveling all of the time. I am really enjoying my life, and no matter where I go, I always attract money with ease. But I was affirming that a long time ago, and when it wasn't in my outside world, I kept affirming it. I'm in incredible shape. I train every single day. But when I first started training every single day, a month down the line, I didn't see no results, but I kept going. I trusted the process. And that's what you've got to do with your affirmations. Now, let's talk about emotion, because that is really where the magic's going to happen. You can't just repeat affirmations like a robot and expect results. It's not going to work. You've got to feel it. You've got to literally saturate your subconscious mind with this new reality of yours. Emotion is the language of the subconscious mind. So if your affirmation is, I am a wealthy, powerful entrepreneur, so when you say it, I mean, you've got to really say it. You've got to feel it with every single cell in your body. You've got to say it with conviction, and you've got to visualize yourself already that person while speaking it. So when you're saying your money affirmation, close your eyes and see that money in your account. Feel the freedom of having that amount of money. And you know, a really powerful exercise is to pair your affirmations with visualization. I'm telling you, that's a game changer. That will really speed up the installation. Now, if you really watch most people, they wait for the evidence, they wait for the results before they fully decide or they fully commit. But the truth about affirmations is they work in reverse. You commit first and then the evidence shows up. And that's not fake. What that really is faith. And here's the key. You've got to keep affirming long enough that your subconscious mind stops resisting and starts accepting. That's when things begin to move. And you know, you can try this out. I would really recommend you, if you're a business owner, not changing anything in your business and sticking with the affirmation long enough for your subconscious mind to accept it. Your strategy is not in control of your income. Your subconscious mind controls your income because your subconscious mind controls your vibration, and your vibration is controlling the amount of money that you attract. So just remember this: if your affirmations feel uncomfortable, if it feels fake, if they trigger doubt or discomfort, you're doing it right. Don't quit. At that point, you want to lean in. That's really the reprogramming process. And if you're ready to go deeper and really install these new beliefs that match 10K plus a month, then I really want to help you do it. Click the link in the description and book a one-to-one call with me. I'll help you uncover what your subconscious mind is still holding on to, and I will help you rewire it so you can attract 5 figures every single month whilst having fun and having time freedom. That's the key part.